Hey guys, in this video I'm reviewing one of the most talked about gaming chairs on the market, the SecretLab Titan EVO. If you're in the market for a premium gaming chair that blends comfort, functionality and style, this might already be on your radar. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's break it down and see what makes this chair stand out from its competitors. Also, the link to this chair will be included in the video description below. First off, let's talk about design. SecretLab has really honed its aesthetic over the years, and the Titan EVO is no exception. It's sleek, modern, and minimalistic while still screaming premium. The chair comes in various upholstery options, including the soft weave plus fabric, neo-hybrid leatherette, and the luxurious Nappa leather. Each material has its pros and cons, but they all share one thing in common: they look and feel high-end. Whether you're looking for durability, breathability, or pure opulence, there's an option for you. Customization is another strong suit of the Titan EVO. SecretLab offers a range of color schemes and special edition designs, from classic black to collaborations with gaming franchises and esports teams. Whether you want something understated for your office or a bold centerpiece for your gaming setup, there is a design to match your vibe. Now let's get into comfort. Comfort is where the Titan EVO really starts to shine. One of the first things you'll notice is the ergonomic design. The chair is designed to support you through long hours of sitting, whether you are gaming, working, or binge watching your favorite series. The lumbar support is built right into the backrest, and here's the kicker: it's adjustable. That means no extra lumbar pillows or awkward adjustments. You can dial in the perfect level of support for your lower back using the knob on the side of the chair. It's a game changer for maintaining good posture and avoiding back pain. The seat base is also worth mentioning. SecretLab has introduced what they call a pebble seat design. It's slightly wider than traditional gaming chairs and has raised edges to gently guide your posture without feeling restricted. Whether you prefer to sit cross-legged or with your feet flat on the floor, the seat accommodates a variety of sitting styles. The cushioning strikes a perfect balance between firmness and comfort, ensuring that it doesn't flatten out over time. The Titan EVO comes in three sizes: a small, a regular, and XL. This makes it suitable for a wide range of body types. If you're on the taller or a heavier side, the XL size is built with reinforced components to provide the same level of comfort and durability. Speaking of durability, let's touch on the build quality. SecretLab has earned a reputation for building chairs that last, and the Titan EVO is no exception. The frame is constructed from a robust metal alloy, while the base is reinforced aluminum. Together, these materials ensure that the chair feels solid and stable even during reclined positions or when shifting your weight. The 4D armrests are another highlight. They are fully adjustable, allowing you to move them up, down, forward, backward, and side to side. They even rotate slightly to match the angle of your arms. The armrests are also magnetic, which is an ingenious feature. Not only does this make them easy to replace or upgrade, but it also means they stay firmly in place during use. SecretLab even offers optional memory foam armrest tops if you want to elevate the comfort factor. By the way, prices on this chair update almost weekly with sales and other general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, simply check out the video description and you will find the latest prices. And of course, if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Now let's talk about the recline function. The Titan EVO offers a recline range of 85 to 165 degrees, so whether you are in intense focus mode or want to kick back and relax, the chair has you covered. The recline mechanism feels smooth and secure, and the multi-tilt function lets you lock the chair at various angles. Pair that with the sturdy tilt mechanism and you will feel confident reclining without worrying about stability. Another standout feature of the Titan EVO is the magnetic memory foam head pillow. It attaches magnetically to the backrest, so you don't have to fuss with straps or adjust its placement constantly. The memory foam is infused with cooling gel, which keeps your head cool even during long sessions. It's a small touch, but it adds to the overall premium experience. Let's move on to assembly. If you're someone who dreads assembling furniture, you'll be pleased to know that SecretLab has streamlined the process. The Titan EVO comes with clear instructions and minimal components. Most of the chair is pre-assembled, so putting it together is straightforward and takes about 20 to 30 minutes. The package even includes includes a magnetic screwdriver to make things easier. One area where the Titan EVO really excels is longevity. This chair is built to last with high-quality materials that don't wear down easily. The Neo Hybrid leatherette is said to be 12 times more durable than standard PU leather, while the Soft Weave Plus fabric is designed to resist peeling and fraying. If you are investing in a chair that costs upwards of $400, knowing it's going to hold up over the years is a huge plus. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the price. Yes, the Titan EVO is expensive, starting at around $450 and going up depending on the material and size you choose. But when you consider what you're getting, ergonomic features, premium materials, and long lifespan, and a design that stands out, it's easy to see why this chair is priced at a premium. It's not just a chair, it's an investment in your comfort and posture. That said, the Titan EVO might not be for everyone. If you are on a tight budget or don't spend long hours at your desk, you might find a more affordable option that meets your needs. However, if you are serious about gaming or work and want a chair that combines style, comfort, and durability, the Titan EVO is hard to beat. Before we wrap up, let's quickly go over the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Titan EVO offers excellent ergonomics, premium materials, a wide range of customization options, and a sturdy build. The magnetic head pillow and 4D armrest are standout features that elevate the chair's usability. On the downside, the price is steep and it might not fit everyone's budget. Additionally, while the chair is highly adjustable, some users might still prefer the option to add external cushions for specific needs. So, is the SecretLab Titan EVO worth it? In my opinion, absolutely. If you're someone who values comfort, aesthetic, and durability in a gaming chair, it's a perfect product with premium features, and it delivers on its promises. Whether you're gaming, working, or simply lounging, the Titan EVO provides a level of support and comfort that's hard to find elsewhere. So guys, let me know in the comments, are you planning to pick up this chair or you will stick with what you already have? That's it for this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if this video was helpful, and make sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on this chair. See you in the next one.